I'm here today at Guaranty RV with a used R-Pod that we just took in. It is a 2018 R-Pod 177. We're going to start on the outside and the front. We're going to have a power jack, our propane tanks, and right behind that you'll always get a battery. Coming on to this side, you're going to come all the way to the back. Besides, we won't forget our outside speakers. Can't forget those. You'll get little plug-ins on the side, and then you'll get a good amount of storage right underneath. You will have a little connection right here for your solar panels. Makes that a little easier if you do, outdoor camping. We will have our manual jacks all the way around. A little more storage on this side. Our main water connections and plugs and hoses all on this one spot. You will have an outdoor shower as well. If you are looking for a unit that's a little smaller, has a small slide that you can still tow with your SUV or bigger car, this would be it. Going on to the inside of the unit, you are going to get a kind of dinette off to this side. It's going to be a decent amount of space. Now the nice thing is, underneath both sides you will have storage, and then this does drop down and make into a second bed. Coming around here, you will get your appliances, your 2-stove burner, a nice little place to put all your spices, and then you will get your queen size bed in the back. Now you will get a kind of radio system, DVD player, everything like that as well in here. So if you love your music like I do, you can actually enjoy it. Nice little bathroom, doesn't take up a ton of space, which allows you to actually have livable space in here. It does come with a heater and does come with your heating system and an AC system, so you can take it anywhere you like to go. If you do have any technical questions or any questions for me, give me a call at 541-954-4683 and I'll help you out. Thank you.